Hello everyone, welcome to SPM IS Academy. Here we are with another episode of Assampedia MCQs, and in today's episode our topic is temples of Assam. Question number 1, Bel Temple or Tilinga Mandir is situated in which district of Assam? And your options are Dibrugarh, Tinsukia, Lakhimpur or Jorhat. And the correct option is option B, Tinsukia. This temple or Lord Shiva, symbolized by a huge banyan tree, is at a distance of 17 km from Tinsukia. It is believed that one may get his or her wishes fulfilled by offering a bell to this temple. Believers hang the bells to the branches of the people tree, and this is how the temple got its unique name. So yate dorshanaर्थী সকল যায় আৰু তেওঁলোকৰ মনোকামনা পূৰ্ণ হ'বৰ কাৰণে তেওঁলোকে ইয়াৰে এই গছডালত এটা টিলিঙা বান্ধি আহে। সেই কাৰণে এই মন্দিৰটোক টিলিঙা মন্দিৰ বুলি কোৱা হয়। Question number 2, the Neghriting Shiva Dole was first constructed by. Your options are Kosaris, Ahoms, Sutias or Koch. And the correct option is option A, Kosaris. The Neghriting Shiva Dole is situated on a hillock at about 1.5 km north from the National Highway 37 in the Golaghat district of Assam. The temple was first constructed by the Kosaris during 8th to 9th century AD. However, it was destroyed many times in natural calamities, and the present form of the temple was built by the Ahom king Rajeshwar Singha. কিন্তু প্ৰথম এটো নিৰ্মাণ কৰা হৈছিল under the Kosaris, পিছত যেতিয়া এটো ড্যামেজ হৈ গৈছিল তাৰ পিছত এটোক ৰিকনস্ট্ৰাক্ট কৰে আহোম স্বৰ্গদেউ ৰাজেশ্বৰ সিংহই। Question number 3, Kedareshwar temple in Hajo is located atop which of the following hillocks? And your options are Madansala Hillock, Navagraha Hillock, Nilasol Hillock or Kakoijan Hillock. And the correct option is option A, Madansala Hillock. Kedareshwar temple is a significant medieval temple dedicated to Lord Shiva, constructed by the Ahom king Rajeshwar Singha again in the year 1753. The temple is located on top of Madansala Hillock in Hajo, and this is one of the rare Swayambhu or self-originated linga in the Ardhanareshwar form of Lord Shiva. Question number 4, which of the following temples is a Shiva temple? Your options are Ashtakranta temple, Navagraha temple, Hoygrib Madhav temple or Bokhistha temple. And the correct option is option D, that is Bokhistha temple. The Bokhistha temple, located on the outskirts of Gorbhanga Reserve Forest in the southeast corner of Guwahati city, is a Shiva mandir constructed by Ahom king Rajeshwar Singha in 1764. The temple stands on the bank of the mountain streams originating from the hills of Meghalaya, which becomes the rivers Basista and Bahini or Porolu flowing through the city. আৰু এইখিনি জায়গাতে বশিষ্ঠ আশ্ৰমখন আছিল কোৱা হয় যে বশিষ্ঠ মুনিয়ে সেই আশ্ৰমখনৰ প্ৰতিষ্ঠা কৰিছিল আৰু সেই জায়গাটোত যোনটো এই মন্দিৰটো আছে এই মন্দিৰটোক বশিষ্ঠ মন্দিৰ বুলি কোৱা হয়। Question number 5, Umananda temple is built by. Your options are Rajeshwar Singha, Rudra Singha, Godadhar Singha or Shiva Singha. And the correct option is option C, Godadhar Singha. The brick temple of Umananda was built in 1694 CE by the Borphukon Gorgonya Khondikoi by the order of King Godadhar Singha. The original temple was, however, immensely damaged by a devastating earthquake of 1897. তাৰপিছত এজন খুব ৰিচ মাৰ্চেণ্ট এজনৰ আণ্ডাৰত আকৌ এটো কৰা হয় বনোৱা হয় আৰু এই কুৱেশ্যনটোত ইয়াতে কেতিয়াবা গদাধৰ সিংহৰ অপশ্যনটো নাহি পেলাই যোন বৰফুকন আছিলে যাৰ যোনে ছুপাৰভাইজ কৰে এই কনষ্ট্ৰাকশ্যনটো তেওঁৰ নামো আহিব পাৰে এণ্ড দ্যাট বৰফুকন ৱাজ গড়গন্যা সন্দিকৈ। Question number 6, which of the following temples was not built by Rajeshwar Singha? Your options are Navagraha temple, Bokhistha temple, Kedareshwar temple or Ugratora temple. And the correct option is option D, Ugratora temple. এই চাৰিটা টেম্পলৰ ভিতৰত উগ্ৰতৰা টেম্পলটো বাদ দি বাকি গুটেকেটা টেম্পল বাকি তিনিটা টেম্পল ৰাজেশ্বৰ সিংহই বনাইছিলে। The present temple of Ugratora was built by Ahom king Shiva Singha in 1725 AD. It is an important Shakti shrine dedicated to Tara Devi, located in the western side of Jurpukhuri in the heart of Guwahati city. right gotike Ugrotara temple or usorot duta pukhuri ase aru sei karone sei dutak jur pukhuri boli koa hoy right to ei Ugrotara mondir tu nirman kora hoisile Shiva Singhor samoyot. Question number 7. The chief deity of Tamreshwari temple is. Your options are Tamreshwari, Dikaravasini, or Kesai Khaiti, and all of the above. And the correct option is option D, that is all of the above. The temple was dedicated to Kesai Khaiti, who is also known as Dikaravasini, a primordial female tribal deity of the Sutiyas, later Sanskritized as Tamreshwari. The temple roof was made of copper. Gotike juntu mondir asile tare juntu roof asile hetu copper ba tamere nirmito as hoy. Gotike hetu karone tar porao ei Tamreshwari namtu ahe. Gotike yare jungoraki chief deity ase teu Tamreshwari buliu jona jay, Dikaravasini buliu jona jay ba Kesai Khaiti buliu jona jay. Question number 8. The Navagraha temple is located in. Your options are Chitrasol Hill, Nilasol Hill, Monikut Hill, or none of the above. And the correct option is option A, that is Chitrasol Hill. The temple is devoted to Navagraha, the 9 major celestial bodies or grahas of Hindu astronomy. And these celestial bodies are named Surya, Chandra, Mongol, Budh, Brihaspati, Shukra, Shani, Rahu, aru Ketu. Question number 9. Sukreshwar temple was built by. Your options are Rajeshwar Singha, Pramotta Singha, Godadhar Singha, or Shiva Singha. And the correct option is option B, Pramotta Singha. The Sukreshwar temple is an important Shiva temple in the state of Assam, constructed in 1744 by Ahom king Pramotta Singha. King Rajeshwar Singha, who also promoted cause of the Saiva cult, made financial provisions for the Sukreshwar temple in 1759. Gotike etu nirman kora hoy Pramotta Singhor underot aru pisot Rajeshwar Singhoyo etu financially support kore. The temple is located on the Sukreshwar or Itakhuli hill on the south bank of river Brahmaputra. Question number 10. According to some Buddhist tradition, Buddha attained nirvana in which of the following temples of Assam? Your options are Mahabhairav temple, Tamreshwari temple, Hayagriva Madhav temple, or Bohistha temple. And the correct option is option C, that is Hayagriva Madhav temple. Hayagriva Madhav temple is situated on the Monikut hill Hajo. A most striking feature of the temple is the continuous row of elephants curved on the lowest level of the temple walls, a structure akin to the stone-cut temple of Ellora. There is a big pond known as Madhav Pukhuri near the temple. Gotike ei mondir tur tolot yate eneke continuous row of elephants yate dekhibole pua jay. Ei dore yate curve kora ase, right? The continuous row of elephants, right? To ei tu juntu ase ei style tu Ellorar junbilak rock cut temples asile tar logot yar similarity dekhibole pua jay. To ketiaba enekwa question ahiba pare je in which of the following temples we find a continuous row of elephants carved on the wall, right? To tetia answer tu hobo Hayagriva Madhav temple. So that is all for today. Thank you.